3 relating to migrant workers, 1 related to the Sishu loan within Mudra, 1 related to street vendors, 1 housing, 1 related to employment generation largely for tribals and in those in the tribal pockets, and 2 related to farmers, particularly small farmers. But even as I say this, since you have been keenly listening and hearing what we are saying, many of them may have overlaps with the next package that we'll announce. So on farmers, for example, it's not as if I'm giving only 2 steps, nothing more. Arey kisan ke liye chhod de kaam. No, there will be more. But today I'm bringing in 2. Just as I said, in each of the package, we'll keep in mind and prioritize concerns related to migrant workers, poor, those who are, in need, and therefore that will continue. So if I have not spoken about a certain thing today, it's not as if Government of India has forgotten. After all, let's please remember, within hours of having announced the lockdown, the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana was for the poor, was for transferring cash to the poor, was for giving grains for the poor, and so on. And that's not enough. We will come with more. We are announcing more. So let's not look at each one of the silo as though that was the only thing. As I said earlier, there are tranches of announcements. Many things might overlap. Many of them might get mentioned here as well as mentioned once more somewhere else. So just a broad understanding on that. And before I get to talking about what we are doing on the migrants, I just want to let you know that about 3 crore farmers had availed loans which were given to them earlier in concessional rates, I think, which was direct support to farmers. And those 3 crore farmers had availed of agricultural loans which were over 4 lakh crores. 3 crore farmers who are marginal farmers had already benefited from 4 lakh crores of credit given to them. And those people who have availed of these credit through the Reserve Bank were also given a moratorium. For the next 3 months you don't have to pay your EMI and so on. Now, the interest subvention, which is normally given for prompt repayment in time, was extended till March. Now we are extending it up to 31st May 2020. So that is a thing which was already availed of, and for that we are giving a bit of an extension. And in the last 2 months, 25 lakh new Kisan credit cards have been given, which entails that they can take concessional credit. They're actually marginal farmers. So we've not forgotten them. And those 25 lakh new Kisan credit card holders have also been given or sanctioned a loan which totals to 25,000 crores. These are recent happenings. So there may have been a lockdown, but the government was not sitting quiet. It has been attending to a lot of those who are in the margins of our society, who are desperately in need of assistance to carry on with their small work. So that is something which I want to draw your attention to before we move on to today's package.
धन्यवाद.